They always walk in line.
He's so cute.
We don't keep them. We don't want to kill them.
Right.
Years ago, they used to sell them in the pet stores, but I think they were coming with the drink.
This is boyfriend and girlfriend.
We will all go with the truck and do rides together.
Yeah, sure. Right. And then we've been separated from the mom and dad.
We'll probably find a couple on the way out. I don't really take it each one. Maybe they find their way home. Who knows? They're all going different directions, right?
I wonder why they fall off. Like, they just jump.
I think this
Like
one's not moving.
Do that? Like, why do they do that?
You're probably scared. You can take them out.
They land right on their head.
Come on.
You alright?
Yeah, now it's moving.
How do they just like fall right off the rock?
Just watch. I think one's by your foot.
Oh yeah, this one's right up here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Climb out. Oh, there you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Get. Yay! One more. Come on. Come on, I'll give you a little boost. Bump it up. Yay! Okay.
Yay! They fall right off the rock.